Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan and I am here to go over my trades for the day. Before I get into that, if you could please hit that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't, Discord links in the description. And yeah, let's get to it. So today was kind of weird. I didn't take a trade in my window, which is kind of a soft, moldy window. But I try to be done by 11. But we were hanging out on the chat today talking about all kind of stuff, and I was just kind of chilling. And then I saw something that I thought I liked, and I just kind of jumped in without like being in the zone of trading and focused. Like we were just chilling, and then I just kind of saw it out of the corner of my eye. I was like, I kind of like this. And then I took it, but where's my epic pin? So this guy, this big topping tail here on this volume, when you see that, the rule is line over the top, wait for EMA reset, right? So a line over the top, and then I'm waiting for it to come back and test the EMA because that move is done, right? This move started down here and ended up here. That move is finished. Ending volume, line over the top, wait for it to come back down, and then you can move the line down as it makes lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and then it just falls off below the EMA and it's over. No trade. Right? So yeah, this was just a total mess up. I totally ignored this right here. If this didn't happen, then we could talk. Without that, we got the high here, and then we pull back, and then we break up and make another high, and then pull back to the line, hold it. Then we could talk. But we don't buy after sell signals until the pattern resets. So my bad. But the thing about making a mistake, it always opens the door for other things to happen. And I just kind of felt like this wasn't fair. This was a stupid mistake. I don't want to live with this mistake. And so I sat here and I stayed on my watch list though. But I sat here and watched PLRZ. It wasn't setting up on the 5, but it's set up on the 15. This is a very nice EMA retest where you come test the EMA and then you throw a higher low in. The retest where it doesn't trade below the EMA does not require a higher high. I just need the higher low. It basically needs to hold the EMA and then make a higher low, and then it's good. So that's what I did. Get my arrow back. Let's delete these lines. So trigger is the break of the high of this candle. So I got in here, stop under the low, and it walked up. I had this high right here was my target. I hit the third button, and then it didn't do anything. So I hit it again, and then both the orders went through. So that's what these two cells are. And then I did not raise my stop to the low of this candle after it closed, which I should have. I would have gotten a lot more than 16 bucks on it had I done that. I think that would have been my red to green move. But I wasn't really expecting too much out of this trade given the time of day it was, and the volume was pretty slow. It started picking up and I got excited. That's what kind of made me want to give it more room. But on the 15, man, I guess because I was trading it on the 15, I was kind of okay with the pullback on the 15. But nah, I got to take that out, man. I got to stop giving so much room to the backside of the trade, But yeah, so made the day less bad. And I do like this setup a lot. I think I did great as far as following the rules on this setup. This was a stock from my watch list, so it wasn't like I went hunting through the scanner to find this thing. So, I mean, but had I just stopped trading at 11, we would be flat today. and that would have been much better. But it is nice to see your setup work. So that's cool. And, you know, small red day, so no harm, no foul. I mean, a little harm, a little foul too, but yeah. The big thing is, man, I've gotten much better at waiting for my setup and not trading when I don't see it. That's huge. This one, you know, I got to kind of give myself a pass just because I really just wasn't locked in at the time. We were talking for like, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour at this point, and then I just dove into this thing. I guess it wasn't that long. What time was this? 11:15? Yeah, I mean, trade day was over. But no excuses, man. We got to be locked in. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So poor trade on UAVS, and then we got a little bit of it back on a nice trade on PLRZ. I'm trading $25 risk today and going forward probably to the end of this week. So I actually haven't adjusted my R value in the system yet for it to know that this is a little over 1R and this is a little less than 1R. But yeah. So I've definitely reached a new zone as far as patience and discipline. I feel like that's pretty apparent. Yeah, now it's just, you know, waiting for the good setups to come, and it's just feeling really few and far in between right about now. But honestly, man, one a day is cool. One a day is cool. 3 a week, I can make a living off that at, you know, when I get my R's back up. So I don't need too much. But the more I prove to myself I can be patient and I can just take my A+ setups, then, you know, you can start earning more risk and get to the point where you're getting to the bag. But baby steps for, I mean, I feel like I got it, but I got to prove it to myself again, you know? So yeah, man, that's all I got. Hope you guys had a good day in the market, and hope I didn't turn you off too much in the chat today. Pretty controversial topics we got into, but it's all good, man. It's all good. I appreciate all of you for coming to hang out with me every day. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description, and I'll let y'all tomorrow. Peace.